Hi, I'm Charles Hatley with Melone Hatley PC, where we are your partner through divorce. The question we've been getting asked frequently is my spouse entitled to one half of my military retirement? This is an interesting question. The military regulations say that there is a marital share of your retirement. The marital share of the retirement is generally considered to be the amount of time that you were in service while you were married. That's the marital share. Your spouse gets one half. Federal requirements means that's the maximum that a state court can order your spouse to get. It's not a minimum, which we see often raises confusion because when we're talking to judges or opposing counsel, they seem to think the federal regulations really are what the other spouse has to get, the non-military spouse has to get out of retirement. This isn't true. It's just the maximum that they can get. So what we do frequently when working with our military members is we talk to them about the value of keeping their pension and negotiating other aspects. So if there's a house, a lot of equity in it, we may offer a greater share of the equity to the other spouse in order for our military member to be able to keep his or her pension intact. Or we may discuss the survivor benefit plan, putting together a life insurance policy for the other spouse that ultimately is cheaper than what the survivor benefit plan would cost after retirement. It's very important to remember, if you are a military member going through divorce, there are a lot of people who claim that they understand what you're going through, that they understand the rules and regulations that apply to you, but they really may not. And a good way to test this is talk to them about your military retirement. Are the regulations that is what the other spouse has to get? Are the regulations that that's the minimum the spouse has to get? Or the regulations that that's the maximum the spouse has to get? If the person you talk to doesn't understand that that's the maximum the spouse can get, you may want to look elsewhere. If you or someone else you know is in the military and going through divorce, you need to make sure that you're well informed. Give us a call and we can walk you through each and every step that you will go through this process to make sure that you get the best outcome.